today we're just gonna do an attack. If you, uh, let's see, what can we upgrade? We can upgrade this. Yeah. Let's upgrade it. There we go. I mean, this is good defense. I mean, just believe me. Look. Just. So, guys, look. He had a ton of troops. He did not defeat me. Just wow. Wow. He didn't defeat me. Just look at this. Okay. He defeated everything. Yeah, he defeated everything. What? What do you think? Everything? Is he gonna get 100%? What do you think? No, he's not. You should do that. Like, put a thing on the corner of your map, and then they'll lose, just like he lost to me. He didn't even win. See? 5, 4, 3. He could have used the lightning spell he had left. But, eh. Oh, yeah. So, now it's our turn to attack. Yeah, let's attack. Woo! Let's attack. Oh. Nope. What do you guys think? I mean, it's just way too retarded. And how did the people die right there? Let's just attack. No. Has a little bit of elixir. Let's get for him. Oh my gosh, like this. I mean, we can get a town hall sniper. I think. Let's go for that. Let's go do this. Let's do the test. I guess we can't snipe the town hall. And wow, that was a bad plan. That was a bad plan. Wow. Oh no, wait, never mind. I got 1 star. Okay, good. Could we destroy the cannon though? Can we destroy the cannon? Yeah, yeah, we won. Woohoo, we won. We won the war. I mean, did we? Or did we not? I mean, he still got a ton of elixir and gold protected in the middle. Not so great. It's bad for me. But at least we got something did right. Right? At least something. Something is something. And then if you want to join, it's ALB and then space and VIP. Yeah. Bye.